Finding joy is never far away. Just be with nature. Nature has its own way of revealing its wonders. One of life's greatest pleasures is finding joy in every experience, in every moment, and even in the smallest of things. Enjoy the vibrant colors of the flowers. Listen to the soothing sound of a flowing stream. The majestic beauty of a lake. The mountains and forests. Marvel at God's creation and divine masterpiece. Feel the interconnectedness of all living things. But most of all, discover the source of joy within, through God's love, wisdom, and power within our hearts. Be joyful, be grateful, for you will be blessed even more. Find joy in knowing we are a divine masterpiece, for we are a piece of the divine